Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with the administrator account. This is required to change parental controls. Once signed in, make sure you back up any data, photos, and saved files, because removal can alter access. If the child account is active, sign it out now, disconnect secondary devices. Also, verify your internet connection and temporarily disable VPN or proxies so settings sync reliably. This gets you into the correct control panel without surprises and sets a safe baseline for the next steps. You now navigate to the Family or Parental Controls area on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, or the Platform portal. Once there, select the specific child account and review each restriction: screen time, app limits, purchase approvals. Remove app blocks and change screen time limits, or toggle off the supervision setting. If removing purchases approval, update payment and password settings. Make notes of important toggles so you can restore desired rules later. Proceed deliberately. Some changes take time to propagate. You finish by choosing either to remove supervision or delete the child account, depending on your goal. Confirm each prompt, and when the system asks, authenticate with your admin password or two-factor code. Once done, sign out and restart the device so changes take effect. Then sign in as the child to verify. If restrictions remain, reset account passwords, check the platform's family list for lingering links, or contact support. This single troubleshooting step resolves most sync or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.